Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to customize your control center. If you don't know what the control center is, swipe up from the bottom of your phone. That's the control center. And there are certain things that come by default, like the flashlight and the calculator. And there are certain things that you'll see that maybe you don't have that I have, like this little red button that's blinking on the bottom left hand corner. That's actually screen capture or screen recording. So I actually had to add that. And I also have the alarm clock, which doesn't come default. So if there's anything that you want to add here to have quick access to in your control center, the way we do this, I'll show you right now, is go into settings and scroll till you find control center. There we go. And here, click Customize Controls. And you can actually get rid of some of the default ones, like if you don't want the flashlight, the calculator, the camera, etc. You can click the minus sign and get rid of them. And these, the group at the top are the ones that are included at the present moment for me. And the ones at the bottom here are not included. So if I want a timer, I click plus. And if I want to be able to go through different text sizes, I can add that. And they'll pop up here. If there's anything I want to exclude, I just hit minus and remove it. I can also move these around, and that'll affect how they appear when I scroll up. So I scroll up here, and I see that I just added the timer, as you can see, to the right of that blinking dot. So that's how you can control your command center, your control center rather. Okay, so add and remove items.